my beautiful stars. I am here with a more laid back and chill video, but I wanted to do a video about Dollar Tree environmentally friendly swaps. So that is today's video. I'm so excited, and I'll be popping in the little blurbs of the products I'm talking about so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself at your local Dollar Tree or dollar store. I think these are great little alternatives to your everyday lifestyle that you can pop in to be a little bit more environmentally friendly and save our little buddies in the ocean and just our planet overall. So let's get into it. All right, so number one is their paper straw selection. They have paper straws usually in the party section. Sometimes I see them in the kitchenware. I think this is a great alternative to plastic straws because paper straws are known to be breaking down in 3 days if they ended up in the water. So this is a great alternative to have in your car, especially if you have kids. They have fun little like patterns and stuff, and I think for $1 you can't beat it. I think you get like a pack of 10 for $1. The one downside to paper straws that a lot of us know is that they do get a little limp after a couple of hours, but I say if you're going through the drive-through, one less plastic straw and using a paper straw instead is a lot better. Number two is their keychain with the silicone straw and cleaner. This is awesome. I saw this in like teenager room decor section. You know how they have that little like, what would you call it? I don't know. It's like a cute little shelving unit that's just like standing alone, and they have like a bunch of decor, and they have like pencil holders and key holders and all that kind of stuff in that section, the little pom-poms. That is where I found this keychain, and I have it in my purse at all times. So if I happen to go get coffee or go out to eat, I have my own straw, and it's nice because it comes with its own cleaner. It came in a few different colors. I just got the black, but I think they have blue and maybe green or something. And this is also great as like a little gift for someone, especially if you know someone that is more environmentally friendly or super green, and I think this is a great alternative to plastic straws. Number three is their water bottles. They have a ton of different water bottles and different sizes and kinds. They have tumblers for like holiday seasons, and I think this is also a great way to drink more water because it's more fun when you have like a water bottle that just makes it more fun. And also you're saving any plastic water bottles and single-use plastics from ending up in our oceans or in the landfill. Number four is their bamboo toothbrushes. This is amazing just for $1. I got mine at TJ Maxx and they were like $3.99, but I got two for $3.99, so maybe that's a better deal. But overall, I think bamboo toothbrushes are an amazing swap for your normal plastic toothbrushes. Plastic toothbrushes usually never break down, and I have heard that like the ones that we use now will like never break down and they'll be here like thousands of years from now. So that's kind of scary to think about because I know that it's just one toothbrush, but think about all the people that use toothbrushes. So if we can swap ours out for bamboo ones that will break down if they end up in the landfill. Number five is their tote bags. I think this isn't a great swap for any plastic bag. A lot of Dollar Trees, at least in my state, don't use paper bags, so to swap it out for a tote bag is a lot better, and they're really fun. They have all different kinds of patterns, and this is also great for a kid to use, and you can use them for baking lunches or carrying groceries. Tote bags are great to just throw in your car. You can carry them in your bags, especially if you have a mommy bag, anything like that. A great alternative to plastic. And my last little swap that I have is their like eatery or like cutlery kits. Their cutlery kit. Oh my goodness. Their cutlery kits or silverware kits, they have them usually just for kids, but I say if you just have like a little kit in your car, if you go out to eat a lot or if you just want to have it for when you happen to go out to eat, this is a great alternative to using plastic. And you can, I know that it is made out of actual plastic, but it's going to be more sturdier and used for a long period of time in comparison to like the single-use plastic forks and spoons that we come across. You can easily wash it and then store it back in your car or your purse or use it for your kids' lunches. All right, so those are all my environmentally friendly swaps. If you think I missed anything, definitely comment those down below. I'd love to know what you use out of your daily life that is from the Dollar Tree that is environmentally friendly. That was a big, long sentence. Wow. But I hope that you stick around and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!